Here in Charlotte, North Carolina at the Center of Excellence, we partnered with Canadian chefs, bringing them in and talking about art, technology, and science. This seminar really focused on innovative technology, creating and maximizing efficiencies for the kitchen.
The opportunity to learn more about kitchen technology is very important to me. Because I teach, I need to be aware of what's going on so that I can share it with the next generation of cooks and chefs.
The technology really is there to help us, and if we put it in place, it will make our job a lot easier, our food a lot more tastier, and our customers a lot more happy. The pressure cooker is the one that I'm really interested at, the versatility of what it can offer in my line of work. It piqued my interest.
I'm really interested in products that can do more than one function. To make things easier and faster without jeopardizing quality of product, to see equipment that helps you that way is inspiring.
One of the things that I tell students is, in order to know where you're going, you need to know where you've been and where you are. So I teach what was, I teach what is, and now I'm going to be able to talk more about what will be.